The Ethereum value plunged to the lows of $1,700 last week as the crypto markets confronted an extraordinary auction. Most digital forms of money including Bitcoin have made new multi-week lows. The continuous rut in conventional business sectors overall and tech stocks, specifically, has sent a gradually expanding influence in crypto markets. While digital currencies are peering toward an alleviation rally, numerous investigators accept that the most awful is on the way. Subsequently, all the bullish Ethereum cost forecasts appear to be barely surviving. At the hour of compassing, Ethereum value United States dollars is $2,040, which is 57% underneath its November 2021 ETH. This devaluation in cost has antagonistically impacted its environment also. Most Ethereum-based tokens are exchanging for only a portion of their 2021 all-time highs. Despite the fact that ETH is up 24% from last week's lows, still numerous financial backers are thinking about the ongoing convention, a temporary false recovery. According to the Ethereum news today, the eagerly awaited consolidate is supposed to be carried out by Q3-Q4 2022. This overhaul would start the progress of the Ethereum blockchain from confirmation of work agreement to evidence of stake. This would be a significant achievement in the advancement of Ethereum 2.0. Numerous holders are sure that this consolidation could set off one more bull run for the Ethereum environment. Ethereum price prediction. Specialized investigation of the Ethereum cost graph recommends that the cost is shaping a bear banner on the 4H diagram. This bear banner might actually fall the cost to as low as the $1,400 level. Nonetheless, there is by all accounts solid help around $1,700 $1,800, and when more bob from that level could give a desire to the bulls. Any bullish Ethereum cost expectation stands to be refuted now because of the adjustment of market structure. Any alleviation rally could be viewed as a fleeting false recovery as long as the cost stays underneath $2,500. The following plunge could introduce a fair purchasing and open door before the impending converge with Ethereum 2.0. In any case, the previous lets us know that such memorable achievements could likewise end up being sell the news's occasions. Consequently, any Ethereum venture before the recuperation in Bitcoin costs is a high gamble now. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul forecast of the advancements on the ETH market that depend on the readings of our extraordinary crypto volatility index that assists us with checking the market opinion and expect where in which the market means to go. At this point, the cost of Ethereum is $1,972.15, while the coin presently ends up at second spot in the general positioning. The said positioning is assessed based on the resource's current value that is increased by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that is applied all through every single monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients get the most important information in regards to the exhibition of advanced assets in their portfolios. It's additionally vital to consider the authentic information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading. On May 20th, the cost of Ethereum was at $2.018.23 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 0.78%. A week prior, on May 14th, ETH was esteemed at $2.015.08, and that intends that from that point forward, the cost has varied by 0%. A month prior, on April 21st, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $3.077.70. Thusly, the coin has made a 35.92% move to arrive at its current standings. Yesterday, on May 20th, ETH had a market capitalization of $243,894,583,948. Last week, on May 14th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $243,354,334,496. A month prior, on April 21, the market worth of Ethereum was evaluated to be $370, $742, $500. It's by and large accepted that cryptographic forms of money that have a flowing stockpile between 60 million and 150 million are the most appropriate for long-haul venture, since they are probably going to see the value in esteem throughout a lengthy timeframe, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this crossroads, Ethereum has a circling supply of 128,871,270 coins. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the place of $8,739,619,063. Yesterday, on May 20th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $18,740,258,204. A week prior, on May 14th, how much ETH that was traded between market members was assessed at $24,815,632,839. We anticipate future Ethereum cost expectations. ETH conjecture, by applying profound man-made reasoning, helped specialized analysis on the past value information of Ethereum. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the ETH coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Ethereum market cap, Ethereum volume, and scarcely any more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our forecasts. Ethereum price prediction 2022. According to our profound, specialized investigation on past value information of ETH, in 2022 the cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $2,405.07. The ETH cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2,898.64 with a typical exchanging cost of $2,503.94. Ethereum price forecast May 2022. The normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could go to $2,076.24 toward the finish of May. ETH could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $2,135.56 with a base expected cost of $1,878.51. Ethereum, ETH, price prediction June 2022. As for June 2022, Ethereum cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $2,018.90. The ETH cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $2,239.38 with a typical conjecture cost of $2,117.77. Ethereum, ETH, price forecast July 2022. For July the cost of Ethereum is anticipated to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of $2,160.12, while the coin will exchange between a limit of $2,324.09 and at least $2,081.03. Ethereum price forecast August 2022. The normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could go to $2,224.93 toward August's end. ETH could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $2,432.09 with a base expected cost of $2,145.83. Ethereum price prediction September 2022. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at least worth of $2,212.58 in 2022. The ETH cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $2,543.34 with a typical exchanging cost of $2,291.68 all through 2022. ETH price forecast October 2022. In October 2022 the cost of Ethereum is anticipated to be at around a base worth of $2,304.25. The Ethereum value worth can arrive at a limit of $2,657.92 with a typical exchanging worth of $2,383.34 in United States dollars. Ethereum, ETH. Price forecast November 2022. For November, the cost of Ethereum is anticipated to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of $2,431.01, while the coin will exchange between a limit of $2,777.09 and at least $2,351.91. Ethereum, ETH. Price prediction December 2022. As for December 2022, Ethereum cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $2,405.07. The ETH cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $2,898.64 with a typical gauge cost of $2,503.94. What will be Ethereum worth in 2022? The ETH cost is anticipated to arrive at a greatest degree of $2,898.64 with least cost of $2,405.07 toward the finish of 2022. Does Ethereum have a future? As far as value, Ethereum has a remarkable potential to arrive at new levels. It is figure that ETH will increment in esteem. As indicated by unambiguous special